Hello viewers, welcome to Clipping Amazon Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create colorful text effect in Photoshop. Let's start. First, press Ctrl plus N from window to open a new page. Then take solid color from layer style and set black color. Next, we will go for writing a text. Select horizontal type tool and set the format of the text as ballpark. Set white color, then write the text like this way. After finish the writing, press Ctrl plus T and set the text as the way you want. Now select all text layers and make a group. Press Ctrl plus G. Then select the group, go to layer style from the bottom of layer panel and go to stroke. Now set the stroke color and size. Copy the group layer 2 times, pressing Ctrl plus J. Select the second layer and go to a stroke and set another stroke color. Now press arrow from window to set the shadow color properly. After that, select the third layer from group and go to a stroke and set color. This time, take the first color again, but make its size larger than before. Now make a group in the group again with these stroke layers and select the second group and go to layer style and stroke. Then select stroke color white and set the size. Select the first layer and go to layer style and gradient overlay to set the color for text this way. Now take a new layer and select ellipsis tool from the left side of Photoshop. Now draw this way. Creating colorful text effects is done. Thank you for watching.